Good morning. In curvilinear part 1, we have studied the rectangular coordinates, and now we are studying normal and tangential coordinate system. Now consider a particle moving along a curve and it's located at point P. This is a point P at any instant t. As the velocity is tangential to this path, as this velocity is tangential to the path, the direction along tangent drawn at the point is known as a tangential direction. So this direction is known as a tangential direction, and the direction which is perpendicular to the velocity vector and passing through the center of curvature is known as normal direction. So tangential component of acceleration is given by dv by dt. Normal component of acceleration an is given by v square by rho, where rho is the radius of curvature, radius of curve. Total acceleration is equal to a is equal to under root an square plus at square, and if you know the direction, need a direction, then tan alpha is equal to at by an. Now we'll solve one problem on this. Problem statement is: a car starts from a rest at point A on a circular highway when t is equal to 0, increases its speed up to point B and then enter into BC zone, and speed is continuously increased up to 120 km per hour at point C. Note acceleration is a constant from A to C. Find speed at B and total acceleration when t is equal to 12 seconds. So what is given? Given in the problem, this first circular path is given, which radius is given 160 meter, and then another portion, horizontal portion is given BC. The length of this is given 120 meter. So what they ask, they ask the speed at B, they want velocity at B and total acceleration when t is equal to 12 seconds. So they want VB first. The another thing is that car starts from a rest, so initial velocity will be 0. As we know, this radius is 160 meter, so this distance will be 80 pi. Okay, so now we'll apply equation for motion. We'll consider motion from A to B. So for motion A to B, we will write we'll use our normal equation, v square is equal to u square plus 2as. So for AB, for A to B, we'll write vb square plus initial velocity will be va square plus 2a, this is tangential acceleration, into distance AB. S means AB now. Now we know vv square is equal to initial velocity is 0, so this term is 0. 2a into distance is 80 pi for the curve. Now move for motion between B to C. So here we apply motion from B to C. We can write vc square equal to vb square plus 2a into distance BC. Now vc is given, the speed is given. The speed was given as 120 km per hour. We convert it into the meter per second, which will be 33.33 meters per second. So that square is equal to vb square plus 2a into 120. Now acceleration is a constant from A to C, so these two are same. So we'll get, in terms of vb, we'll convert this equation. So we'll get vb square is equal to 33 square minus 2a into 120. Equating both, we'll solve this by equating this. We'll get a is equal to 1.5 meter per second square and vb is equal to 27.46 meter per second, which was asked. Now they want acceleration at 12 seconds. So for that, we need to find out velocity at 12 seconds. So we have to find out velocity at 12. So that is equal to v is equal to u plus a into t. So acceleration, as we found, 1.5, initial velocity is 0, time they ask 12 second, so we'll get velocity at 12 is equal to 18 meter per second. Now at the same time we have to find out normal acceleration. So normal acceleration an is equal to v square by rho. So this is velocity at 12, 18 square, rho is 160. We'll get an is equal to 2.025 meter per second. But they ask total acceleration, and which is equal to under root an square plus 80 square. We'll get an we found out is 2.025 square plus 80, that is a tangential acceleration we found in earlier step was 1.5, so that's square, and root is 2.52 meter per second square. So this is the total acceleration in zone AB. For zone BC, which is a horizontal one, this is the total acceleration for circular highway path. But for zone BC, as it is a horizontal, normal acceleration will be 0 and total acceleration is equal to tangential acceleration, and that is equal to 1.5 meter per second square.